everybody, welcome to the second and final installment of my How to Prep Your Canvas series. Today we're going to be working on priming the canvas, but we aren't going to be using any pre-made priming solutions, I guess. Like for example, like the gesso you buy. We're going to be making our own, which is a lot better in quality and everything, and today we're going to be working with a latex-based solution. So I'm going to show you how to do it just now. I forgot to add that before we start priming or anything, what we're going to do is we're going to take equal parts latex and water, and we're going to give one generous layer of that latex and water mixture to the canvas or whatever it is that we're going to be priming, so we minimize the absorption and actually our priming mixture can stick better to the surface. Okay, so what you're going to need is distilled water. You're going to also need latex, whether it's acrylic latex or vinyl, maybe? Vinylic latex, it doesn't matter, but they're a little different. If you're going to be using acrylic paints, I recommend using acrylic latex, but otherwise, it's okay. And then you'll also need two different types of pigments. This look like drugs, but I swear it's paint. There are different types of white, so I think this is Spanish white, which is a highly hiding pigment, and this is titanium white, which is a highly dyeing pigment. So you need both in order for your base to be adequate. If you wanted to do a colored canvas, like a colored background, you could replace the dyeing pigment, which is in this case titanium white, by any other kind of dyeing pigment. And you will also need this. It's to make sure that there's no clumps in the pigment and that it goes in smoothly. And then a brush to do the mixing and the application. Glasses to measure. I'm going to show you now how to do the actual recipe. Okay, so you're going to start by measuring half measure of both pigments, so half of your hiding pigment, and half of your dyeing pigment. What I've done is I have this little glass here, which, as you see, I measured where is half and where is everything, so I can just hold it to the others for comparison. So that's one part of pigment. I'm just going to close everything because, as you can probably imagine, everything stains, especially the dyeing pigment, which is the one I just used. They're more or less at the same height, so that's good enough for me. So now we're going to take this and we're just going to put it in little by little. Okay, so now we need to add the water. And we're going to add, in total, 2 parts of water, but right now, slowly, we're going to put more or less 3/4 of a part, but very slowly. We'll put in a little bit, and then with a brush, stir. Okay, now that we added and stirred in the water, we're going to put 1 part of latex. With the vinylic latex, you wouldn't need to, but because of how thick the acrylic latexes, I'm going to use the green screen that I've been using to just keep it out. Okay, so now we're just going to put 1 part of latex. That's more or less 1 measure of latex, and now I'm just going to add it in, like the whole thing. I'm gonna stir a little bit in between because I think that if I don't, it will be too thick afterwards. Okay, so now the only thing that we have left to do is to add the remaining water, which is going to be 1 part and a quarter of water. We added, as we did before, little by little, and moving, stirring all the time. Okay, so now that we have our mixture ready, what we're going to do is actually apply it to the canvas. There's a few things to keep in mind. It's very easy, but there's still a few things to keep in mind. The first thing is that the number of layers that we're going to be giving to the canvas. Because this is a canvas, we're going to do from 7 to 12 layers more or less, but if we were priming a harder surface, like for example a wood panel or a cardboard even, the number of layers would decrease significantly. I believe it would be around 4 to more or less like 3 to 4 or something like that, because this is a canvas and it's cloth and the cloth absorbs the formula. We're going to be given a lot more layers than we would if it was a harder surface. The other thing to keep in mind is that each layer is going to be very thin, because we are going to be slowly building it up, so each layer is going to be very thin. Very important, we do not have to leave them drying in the sun. So they have to dry at an even temperature, no disturbances, no big peaks of heat, because it could affect the drying and it could dry weirdly and then maybe perhaps even hinder us from painting, and we do not want that. So yeah, once we have all of that ready, what we're going to do is we're going to lay our canvas on the ground, on the flat surface, and get ready to prime. Okay, let's go do that. Also, a little note, between each layer, we're going to wait from 20 to 30 minutes until it's almost dry. So it doesn't have to be fully dry, but you know that tacky sort of feeling? That's what we want. And then we can apply the next layer. So this whole process takes a while. But that's hard, it takes a while.